Hello, and thank you for tuning in as we discuss the 2023 Lexus RX, a redesigned and competent sport utility vehicle. For a long time now, the Lexus RX has been a solid option for anyone seeking a comfortable luxury SUV that prioritizes convenience and luxury above outright speed. This is no longer the case, according to the 2023 redesign that gives the RX 350 a new base, a retuned suspension, a more assertive exterior design, and engine upgrades. 1. A hybrid drivetrain is an option. Since the V6 is no longer an option, the hybrid powertrain is currently the best of the bunch. The hybrid, which features a 2.5-liter gas engine and an electric motor to produce a combined 246 horsepower, is noticeably quicker and more responsive than the standard turbo four-cylinder. Furthermore, it is predicted that the combined fuel economy will increase by 12 miles per gallon in comparison to the standard engine.